Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Amazon Fire HD10 2021 model. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the charger port or on the side using a picker and pry tool. And then, using a picker or plastic cup pry tool, gently move around the tablet to release the plastic clips on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the broken camera lens glass from the back cover. Apply heat and push from the rear side to take out the lens. Next, place the camera lens glass on the back cover by adding adhesive. Next, insert and slide in the back cover from the top, and then secure the clips. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.